Here's how to fix if your AirPods won't connect to your iPhone. The first thing you're going to do is get your AirPods and your iPhone with you. Let's open the AirPods up and you should be able to see a green light here. If you don't see a green light, or if it's amber or a different color, or if it doesn't pop up here, the first thing you can do is try to charge it. Basically 10-20 minutes, something like that, just to get enough juice to be able to connect. However, if that still doesn't work, let's head into your settings here, and you should see AirPods at the top. If you don't, tap on Bluetooth and check to see if AirPods shows up on this list. If it still doesn't work and still doesn't show up, let's do a factory reset on your AirPods. So to do that, we're gonna open up the case until we see that little light appear. And now on some AirPods, you'll be able to see on the back is a little button. You're gonna press and hold that button to factory reset it. Or on newer AirPods, you can tap the front here twice to see that amber color until you reset it. So I'm gonna press and hold that button on the back here and factory reset it. You'll be able to see it starts off blinking white, and then it will switch to amber, and then it will go back to white when it's factory reset. So keep holding it and you'll be able to see eventually, there we go, it doesn't show up here anymore, switches to amber, and now I'm continuing to hold it and it's been factory reset. Now that it's factory reset, let's just reconnect it to your iPhone. So let's open up the case and hit connect. Now from here, let's go through the process of connecting it to your phone. It's pretty simple to go through this process. It should automatically recognize that those AirPods are nearby. Let's hit not now. And just like that, I have connected those AirPods to my iPhone. They should show up here. If they still don't show up or connect to your iPhone, the next thing we're gonna do is hit the back button here. So let me go back to the beginning of my settings. I'm going to scroll down and tap on General, and then scroll down to the bottom. Let's choose Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset. All you need to do is reset your network settings back to the factory default. After you've done that, you might also want to go through the process of resetting these AirPods one more time. And now, after you've done that, you can just go back, tap on Bluetooth, and they should show up on this list after you open it up. Again, keep in mind, after you do open it up, it will automatically connect to them. You can tap on that little eye and make sure everything is looking good along with the battery life. At the very bottom, you can always choose to forget this device and re-add it as well.